What if I told you that your supplier might be overcharging you right now and someone else selling the exact same product is getting faster shipping and paying less, getting them higher profits? Yeah, it happens all the time. And if you're still using the same supplier for every single order, you're more than likely leaving money on the table with every single sale. But today I'm going to show you how you can stop finally getting played by all of these overpriced suppliers. Because this tool that I'm about to show you auto-finds better suppliers instantly with lower prices and faster shipping. Yes, it is very, very efficient, which ultimately translates to more profit in your pocket, faster deliveries for your customers, and you still get full control over who you choose to work with. Let me show you how it works. Now, to gain access to this feature, you are going to need to be registered with AutoDS as a member of the AutoDS family. But if you haven't tried this just yet, or if you're just getting started or just testing out the waters, you can actually take advantage of a special promotion we have going on for 2 weeks for just $1. So that way you can take advantage of all of our different features and really get started on a strong foot. Now, when it comes to order sourcing or looking for more suppliers, this is something that's very, very easily done. So whenever you first receive an order, you're going to go over to your orders page on AutoDS. And then we're going to see here all of our different orders that have come through. So this one just came in today, and I'm going to look for more suppliers before I place this order for my customer. So what I'm going to do is over here where it says more options, the 3 little dots, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm going to click on request sourcing. So in this part, you are going to get prompted if you're doing this from the products page or any products that are untracked. I'll show you that in just a second. Then it is going to cost you 1 auto order credit. But since we're not doing that, we're doing it directly from our orders page, it's not going to be costing us that order credit. So here we're going to simply just go to process sourcing request. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to take us to this page over here. And here you're going to see that the sourcing status is currently in progress. Now this actually used to take up to 1 entire day, but now you gain access to all of these different suppliers within 5 minutes. Now, while that's doing its thing and it's fetching different suppliers, we're going to run over really quick to our products page over here, where we have all of the different products that we have imported into our store. Now, all of the different products on here also have the option for sourcing requests, and we can request for sourcing the exact same way. So let's go ahead and choose this one over here. We can simply just click on the 3 dots, and then once again, we can go ahead and do the sourcing request. But again, because we're doing it from the products page and not the orders page, it is going to cost us 1 auto order credit. Now, these are for products that are currently being tracked through the AutoDS system. So everything that you see on here, these are products that are imported using AutoDS. But if you have untracked products, like let's say products that you simply imported to your store manually and you didn't use AutoDS for, so they're not connected via AutoDS, you can still see them through this dashboard and you still have the option to do the product sourcing. So even if you don't import your products through AutoDS, you still have the option to use that 1 auto order credit to be able to look for different suppliers so you can find better deals and better shipping speeds. So running back to our product sourcing, or the product that we decided to go ahead and get sourced, we can go ahead and see now that these are our different search results. Now, the way that this works is that AutoDS is going to be looking through all of our different products using an advanced AI image search. So that way it's going to take all of the different products that are relevant and they're pretty much similar to the one that you're trying to source. And it's looking through all of our different supported suppliers, and it's bringing you all of the different options that we have available to you. So that way you can pick and choose which supplier you want to work with and even which variations you want to add to your product. So that way you can have a few different variations, even from a few different suppliers. So here you can go ahead and see the different variations that there are. And as you can see, there's even a completely different variation down here on the bottom right that even has a clock on it, or that shows you the time. Now, besides that, you have the different prices along with the supplier rating, so you get to see which one of these are higher rated, and the similarity between the product that you're trying to source and the suggestions that you're getting. Now, if the default image that you have isn't necessarily working for you, or if it's not getting you the desired results, then you can simply just click on one of the other images that you have, and then the AutoDS will do the searching based on that image. Now, this sometimes could take a couple of extra minutes, and if there is nothing that matches your search or nothing that matches the visual search, you actually also have the option to request manual sourcing. So somebody will actually go into the system and look for these products for you. Now, this obviously will take a little bit longer, so just be aware of that. So once you do get your list of products, you can go ahead and click into them, and you'll be able to see all of the different options that you have. So you have the different variations and the shipping info, along with, of course, the price and a little bit of extra info. Like in this case, you have the light color, the light source power, and a few other things. And then you also have a bit more product information and a few specifications. Now, if you do want to go ahead with this product, you simply just have to click on select product, and then this is going to be the product that's linked to your orders going forward. Now, after you go ahead and select your product, you're going to be taken to this page where you can link the different variations. So you're going to have the original variations, but then you can also link any different variations that you want to add along with it. So as you can see on the left-hand side, you have the original ones that you first had. And then on the right, you can go ahead and click on add variation to choose the different ones that you want. Now, as you can see, there's clearly a decent price difference, right? So the original supplier actually had these products being sourced for about $10.50, close to $11, while our new supplier is selling them at $3.78 and $6.02. So you're already making almost more than half right off the bat. Now, once you have everything set up and your different sources or your variations linked, you're going to go back to your product page, and then you're going to see this over here. You're going to see that it shows that it's linked. And once it shows that it's linked, you're good to go. Whenever somebody places an order, this is a supplier that AutoDS is going to use to fulfill that order for you. So as you can see, it's really easy to find different suppliers in just a couple of clicks that sell the exact same product that you're selling, except at a better rate. Better pricing, better shipping, faster shipping, which ultimately equals to you more profits. So let me know down in the comments below if this is something that you plan on using. Remember, this can really help you start to up your profits so you can make a couple of extra bucks per order. Remember, you can take advantage right now of the 2-week promotion for just $1 so you can gain access to this and all of the different features that AutoDS has to offer. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. As always, it truly means the world to me. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and with that, my name is Mario with AutoDS. I'll catch you all next time.